Hey guys, hi. This is Abhishek, मास्टर टीचर ऑफ फिजिक्स एट वेदांतु। कैसे चल रही है मेरे बच्चों की जिंदगी? एकदम बढ़िया बच्चों, सब एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास। I hope all of you guys are doing fantastically well. So finally, people, we are here with the Umang series, है ना? And I saw that before the session started today, there are already 722 likes. Thank you so much, people. Salute to all of you guys for all the love and support you guys have given us. So without spending any more time, let me tell you कि what's going to happen today. And yes, it's a live session, so I'm here actually. मैं जिंदा हूँ, मैं यहीं पे हूँ, ठीक है? मैं नाम भी लेता हूँ कुछ, तो मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा क्योंकि चैट यहाँ पे चल रही है मेरे लिए आज। तो अक्षय, विकास, अंश, तो सारे बच्चों मैं देख पा रहा हूँ आप लोग, टेंशन मत लेना, मैं लाइव हूँ यहाँ पे। Oh, 913 likes. Thank you so much. So already before the session starts, are we crossing 1,000 likes today? Thank you so much, well, thank you so much. You guys are superbly amazing. More than 1,000 students here participating today. Thank you so much. So let me tell you what exactly we are going to do today, people. We are starting with the chapter electricity. Yes, electricity is going to be the session today, where the first topic which we're going to cover today is very, very clearly on your screen: current and potential difference. One of the most foremost thing which you really need to know इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को समझने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को समझने के लिए, और ये इस चैप्टर को समझने के लिए सबसे पहली बात विच वी ऑल नीड टू नो इज करंट एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Today's session I'm gonna shuffle between Hindi and English as what to say, medium of speaking. But again, people, I'll be repeating all the definitions in Hindi and English both, so that all of you guys get benefited to it. Okay? So this is the most fundamental thing today: current and potential difference. I'll also show you what is the basic differences between potential difference, with amazing animations and amazing creative sessions today. So I hope all of you guys are ready. So everyone who are ready for today's session, give me a quick balle balle right now. There are going to be quizzes, but it's not going to be on Menti. So it's going to be happening in the chat itself. You have to go and tell me the answer on the chat, because if I start inculcating the Menti here, टॉपिक्स थोड़े बड़े बड़े हैं, तो मेंटी के साथ बहुत ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड हो जाएगा. हम, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था इन द इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन ऑफ उमंग जो सैटरडे को हुआ था, वी आर गोना हैव अ सेपरेट सेशन फॉर क्विजेस पर चैप्टर एज वेल एज द डाउट्स. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, दैट्स टेकन केयर ऑफ ऑलरेडी. लेकिन जब पढ़ेंगे तो हम बिल्कुल दिल बैठा के पढ़ेंगे, है ना? Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much for the Josh. Thank you so much. So let's get started right now. और मैं आपको बताता हूं कि मैंने चैप्टर को कैसे डिवाइड किया हुआ है, ताकि आपका सारा का सारा सिलेबस कवर हो जाए, और हर एक सेशन में हम क्या करेंगे, सो दैट यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड. ठीक है, चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड यस, वो हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट दिस? एवरी वन ऑफ द उमंग सेशंस, we in physics have started with a motivational quote, haven't we? With utmost motivation. Today's motivation, which I want to give to all of you guys, is one thing very simple: rise above the storm and you will find the sunshine, people. Rise above it. This pandemic which is going on, this crisis which is going on, it's a storm in your life. It's a very small part of it, it's a very small phase of it. Try rising above it. Come on the top of it, and you will not regret. You will see the sunshine, you will see the success. Right? You agree with me on that? That's what I all want from you. Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much. Let's get now. So, as you can see on your screen right now, I have divided electricity chapter into very, very simple topics. Number one today, which we're going to deal with, is electric current and potential difference, one of the most starting topic which you need to know. Then in the next session, which we're going to have, we'll deal with Ohm's law. Then we'll go ahead with resistance and factors affecting it, because from Ohm's law we'll get the concept of resistance, और resistance और उसके जो factors affecting it, one very crucial topic for CBSE 10, उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. And they'll get into the resistance in series, resistance in parallel. As you can see, मैंने इन दोनों को अलग अलग सेशंस में रखा है, क्योंकि ये दोनों अपने आप में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है, और आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स इन दी CBSE 10 board can come from anywhere, right? So I've kept it separately, two different sessions, so you can practice as many questions as possible, understand the theory as much as possible. And then I'll go on forward for heating effects of electric current, one of the most important topics. Then at the end, electric power and energy. इन सारे टॉपिक्स में उसके रिलेटेबल क्वेश्चंस, सीबीएसई 10th बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस, आपके एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चंस, हर एक क्वेश्चंस को हम सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, हर एक सेशन में मैंने अलग से न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि हर एक सेशन में वो हम करेंगे. This is the outline of the chapter. Okay, people? So I'm hope ki all of you guys are happy. I'm gonna cover the entire chapter in utmost details as possible. And as I already stated, today's topic is electric current and potential difference. Ta-da! Starting right now. Let's go. Bring down your focus into the session. Let's take a long breath. Ready? Let's Now, what exactly in today's session we'll deal with? The first and the foremost thing, one of the most important things about electric current and potential difference topic, which comes in our examination, is what kind? Let me tell you. Number one, they always in CBSE 10 board ask about the definition. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले तो वही बात होगी. You should understand the definition of electric current and potential difference. तो definition पे हम बाद में आएंगे. पहले we'll understand the concept कि electric current और potential difference होता क्या है. Then I'll tell you the definition. And once definition is done, then I'll teach you guys the formula. We'll learn the formula. Obviously, the utmost second concept. We will try to get the formula from the definition itself. We'll try to do that. And once that is done, we'll get into the SI unit. क्योंकि भाई फॉर्मूला के बाद तो SI यूनिट समझना जरूरी है और SI यूनिट हो जाए तो उसके बाद क्या बचा सिंपल है न्यूमेरिकल्स बचे है ना न्यूमेरिकल्स आ गए भाई फॉर्मूला आ गया डेफिनेशन आ गया SI यूनिट आ गया अब तो न्यूमेरिकल्स होंगे और न्यूमेरिकल्स के बाद एट द एंड particularly between these two topics one of the most important concept is what are the devices used to measure electric current and potential difference. So these are the five and the foremost things A to Z will understand about electric current and potential difference. This will cover all the questions you can get in board examination and all the content on NCERT obviously. So this just one session and the entire topic covered. Let's go ahead. Let's start with the first topic today. What is electric current? कि भाई ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होता क्या है किसको बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट तो बच्चों इस चीज को समझने के लिए ना एक एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं मैं आपसे तो मुझे बताओ सोच के कि व्हाई डज अ कंडक्टर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वेयर एज एन इंसुलेटर डू नॉट एक कंडक्टर में व्हाट इज देयर दैट इट मेक्स इट अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड व्हाट इज देयर इन एन इंसुलेटर व्हिच डज नॉट help it to conduct electricity. What is give me an answer in 2 words. I want an answer in 2 words. I don't want all of you guys to tell me the definition. I know you know the definition of electric current. Rate of flow of charges, sir. अब ये चार्जेस क्या है और ये इसमें पॉजिटिव होते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते क्या होते हैं किसको पता नहीं है ना फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फैंटास्टिक लुक एट दैट फैंटास्टिक मुझे तो ऑप्शन देने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी I didn't even have to give you the options because you already knew it. Conductors are metals, free electrons, free atoms, none of this, and majority of you guys told me, few of you guys told me because they are metals. No, the actual reason is they have free electrons. Fantastic. Now if I ask you कि बच्चों ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहां से आए कंडक्टर्स में आसमान से गिरे एटम से निकले तो कैसे निकले there will be a sort of confusion ki oh yeah we didn't go that deep yet ki okay ooh la la we didn't know that right so let's go ahead let's go in a flow so as you said absolutely correct in the case of an insulator there are absolutely right in the case of an insulator there are absolutely no what to say free electrons at all correct हमारे पास free electrons है ही नहीं in an insulator scenario हमारे पास free electrons है ही नहीं they are all packed within each other and that's the reason okay देखो to in a very simple sense if I talk about कि why does a metal is a metal why does it conduct electricity and what is this electric current for electric current to be constituted in a metal there should be charges which you need to flow now these charges could be positive charges these charges could be negative charges also could be positive could be negative कुछ भी हो सकता है अब ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज आयंस हो सकते हैं जैसे कॉपर 2 पॉजिटिव आयन होता है आपको पता है इस बारे में पोटेशियम कैल्शियम पॉजिटिव आयन होता है पोटेशियम आयन पॉजिटिव आयन होती है सब आपको पता ही है दिस कुड बी नेगेटिव आल्सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ कंडक्टर these are constituted by negative charges and primarily about which charges electrons these negative charges primarily in the case of conductors is electrons in the case of an insulator there are no free electrons when electrons move from one point to another that's what constitutes electric current you already gave me the definition what is the definition of electric current the rate of flow of charges when charges flow from one end to the other end it is called as electric current only charge is not a current because I also have charge you also have charge do we conduct electricity is current flowing through all of our bodies the answer is no when the charges move from one point to another it constitutes electric current तो यानी कि सीबीएसई 10 बोर्ड में एक बहुत ही फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन आता है कि व्हाट इज द करंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय अ स्टेशनरी चार्ज व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर टू इट द आंसर टू इट वुड बी 0 क्योंकि भाई चार्ज है ही नहीं स्टेशनरी है तो है कि नहीं so yes stationary charge no current when current charges flow like how like this in a conductor if you notice this is how the charges flow Electrons start moving from one end, it will go to another end, ऐसे ऐसे निकलते रहते हैं, आपके सामने दिख रहा है आपको, है ना? देखो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन जा रहा है भाई, पिकनिक में जा रहा है, फ्री होके जा रहा है। इंसुलेटर में ऐसा नहीं था, इंसुलेटर में बेचारा बंधा हुआ था एटम्स के बीच में, लेकिन भाई साहब मेटल्स में तो भाई वो मस्त मॉल है, घूम रहा है, पिकनिक मना रहा है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, सेलिब्रेटिंग इंडिपेंडेंस डे। And that's how in the case of a conductor, current is constituted because charges move with charge electron. But now the question comes, the fundamental question जो मैं आपको डीप में पढ़ाना चाहता हूं अभी, कि ये ससुरा ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आया कहां से मेटल में, है ना? ये कंडक्ट करे कैसे आया? For this I'll ask you a question. Which metal is used to make almost all the electrical wires? Any guesses before I show you guys the options? Any guesses, people? Any guesses before I show you guys the option? What do you guys think? Which metal is used to make almost all the electrical wires? Oh, fantastic. Very good. Good answers already, people. I'll show you the options. Yes. Yes. Steel, aluminum, copper, iron. Which one do you think? A, B, C or D? अरे मचा दिया आप लोगों ने तो. Yes, 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 yes. By answering this fundamental question, you'll get the answer. Look at this. The answer to this question is yes, people. It is copper. Very good, Yashvi. Very good, Yash. Very good, Anshita, Chandra. Yes, yes, Udit. Oh my God. 1,600 people here chatting. You see how the chats are going. You can yourself see. Very good, people. Anjali, yes, yes, yes. Uday, Bharat, yes. Fantastic. Very good, people. The answer is copper. तो ना अभी हम कॉपर का एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. You can see in front of you, this is the structure of copper. Can anyone tell me what is the atomic number of copper? बताओ बताओ. What is the atomic number of copper, people? जल्दी बताओ. It is how much? 28, 27, 15, 10, 16. It is? Copper's atomic number is, you can see on the screen also if you look carefully, it is 29. Yes, this you have studied in CBSE 9th chemistry, the atomic number of objects, है ना? Yes, the atomic number of copper is 29. Very good. So when we divide the atomic structure of the copper, how does it look like? मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको. तो सबसे पहले तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है भाई, सबसे अंदर न्यूक्लियस, यहाँ पे ये आपका न्यूक्लियस हो गया, करेक्ट? न्यूक्लियस के फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, उसके बाद 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, आपको पता है 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो अगर मैं 29 को डिवाइड कर दूं इन पर्टिकुलर बेल्ट्स में, हमारे आखिरी शेल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन बच जाता है, राइट? 2, 8, 16, 1. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 18 is 28. उसके बाद बच गया 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो हमारे आखिरी शेल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया. Can you guys tell me, can you guys remind me, what is the name of this electron? इस इलेक्ट्रॉन का एक स्पेशल नेम है ना? What is the name of this electron? Some special name it is there. What is the name of this electron, people? पता होगा आपको तो, केमिस्ट्री में तो माशाल्लाह आप लोग बताओ. What is it called as? The last electron in any atom. It's called as? Very good. Yes, it's called as a valence electron. Array, nice. Nice, people. It is called as valence electron. Why? Because it's present in the valence shell, the outermost shell. And the electron present in it is called as valence electron because it is present in the valence shell. Fantastic. Now I have a very easy question to ask all of you guys. Very easy question. Tell me, honestly tell me, what would be easier for me? Will it be easier for me to remove an electron from the closest orbit of the nucleus? Or will it be easier for me to take out the electron which is in the valence shell? Which would be easier for me? Valence or the closest? Which would be the most easiest job for me to take out an electron from the orbit which is closest to the nucleus or from the valence? Which one? Which one? Removal will be easy for the valence one. Fantastic. Yes, it would be the easiest in the valence electron. And those free electrons in a metal which we spoke about are these valence electrons. अब समझे कहां से आया? Okay, in a metallic conductor, free electrons, where did they came from? They came from this valence shell. So electrons from the valence shell come out of the atom. Now the question comes, ki, sir, how? How is the current formed? How is this valence electrons coming out? It's easy. Simple as that. If I need to bring out water from this bottle, what will I do? I'll open the cap, apply pressure, and the water will come out of the bottle. Simple as that. If I need to break this pen, I'll hold this pen, patak, I will give it, the pen will break, it become 2 pieces. Similarly, if I have an atom like this, and this is the valence electron, I will give energy or force, I'll provide energy or force to this electron so that it can come out of the atom. Simple. The nucleus attracts this electron. Na? So what will I do? I'll give enough amount of energy to this particular electron that it comes out of the atom. Simple. जैसे आप एक बॉल को उठाओ और ऊपर फेंको. You gave the force to the ball, hence it went upward. Otherwise, the gravity is always pulling it downward. No? Correct. Similarly, you take this electron, you throw it out of the atom. You gave it enough amount of energy to the electron to come out of the atom. But there lies the sad part. Once the electron come out of this atom, their independence day is not for 24 hours. Their independence day is not for throughout their life. As soon as these electrons come out of the atom, it is captured by another atom. It is captured by another atom. It comes here. then what happens? You give energy again, and this electron will jump out of this atom also. But apparently when it jumps out of that atom, it goes on to where? It goes and jumps onto another atom. So no matter whatever, how much energy you give it, the electrons cannot be independent forever. They just come out, celebrate, and go back down to slavery. Come out, celebrate, slavery. Come out, celebrate, slavery. That's what they do. That's how it is. That's how electrons are. Correct. That's how even you are, right? You throw a ball upward, it experiences freedom. It is going upward, and the gravity is like, na munna na, come back down. That's what happens to it, right? No matter how many times you throw it. Correct? Correct? You got the point? So that's the example here, people. So electrons come out of the atom, they go back. But the best part out of it is, इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी बात हो गई कि हाँ, I didn't get a continuous flow of electrons, agreed. But still, the electrons are flowing, right? Electrons may be jumping from one atom to another atom, but they are still flowing. They are still going on. They are still going on. They are still going on. So this is more or like a lot of girls. A lot of boys also do this. But tell me how many of the girls follow this? Okay. So girls, tell me honestly, and boys, if in case you agree with me, let me know. So this is like girls, right? तो एक लड़की घर से पढ़ने के लिए अपने दोस्त के घर जाती है, राइट? दे लाइक चलो आज हम पढ़ते हैं. तो यहाँ से शालिनी गोज टू अंकिता's हाउस. ठीक है, शालिनी गोज टू अंकिता's हाउस. अब ये दोनों यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, बट ऑफ कोर्स दे आर गर्ल्स. बॉयज आल्सो डू दिस. दे लाइक नहीं यार, कुछ और लोग चाहिए हमारे में. तो अब शालिनी और अंकिता दोनों जाते हैं लीजा के घर पे. नाउ शालिनी, अंकिता, लीजा, all of them are studying in the Lisa's house. But these three are again bored because obviously, and then these three go to another of their friend's house. Then though they four go to another of their friend's house. ऐसे कर करके now you have such a magnitude of electrons. इतने ज्यादा electrons हो जाते हैं. और अब जब वो सारे के सारे electrons एक point से दूसरे point में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? When this flow of electron happens from one atom to another atom to another atom to another atom, what is this flow called as? Just now we studied. The flow of these charges is something I think we just studied right now. I think this is the topic's name also. It is called as? Exactly. It is called as electric current. Fantastic, people. Fantastic. I was able to see a lot of no's coming in from the our own girls and boys. नहीं sir, लड़कियां ऐसे नहीं करते. नहीं sir, हम तो ऐसे नहीं करते. We all know the truth. Boys and girls both do this. एक बड़ी से काम नहीं बनता और दोस्त लोग चाहिए होते हैं ना. Fantastic. That's electric current, people, and that's how electric current is constituted in a metal. ऐसे बनती है metal. मैं आपको इतना डीप क्यों पढ़ा रहा हूँ? क्योंकि भाई इतना डीप नहीं पढ़ोगे तो फिर पढ़ के क्या फायदा? जब समझोगे ही नहीं कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होता क्या है, फॉर्म कैसे होता है, पढ़ के क्या फायदा है ना? तो अपने अंदर के साइंटिस्ट को जगाओ, अवेक द साइंटिस्ट इनसाइड यू, लर्न समथिंग इन वेरी वेरी डीप. ठीक है बच्चों? आई होप ऑल यू गाइस एंजॉयड द पार्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट राइट नाउ हियर, राइट? सो अगेन डिफाइनिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू राइट डाउन द एग्जामिनेशन इज व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस. The rate of flow of charges is called as electric current. Now, if I need to find out the formula of current, what should it do? What should it be? What should it be? Okay. अगर मैं 9th स्टैंडर्ड में जाऊं, हम वेलोसिटी का डेफिनेशन क्या लिखते थे? व्हाट वाज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ डेफिनेशन इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड? Rate of displacement, right? That was it. Rate of displacement was velocity, correct? और इस rate of displacement को फॉर्मूला बेस में क्या लिखते थे? velocity is equal to displacement upon time. मतलब रेट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? आप किसी भी क्वांटिटी को टाइम से डिवाइड कर दो, वो उसका रेट बन जाता है ना? सिंपल सी बात. You take any quantity divided by time, that becomes the rate. So rate of displacement in mathematics means displacement by time. That's all it is. So similarly, when we say current, which my dear students, it's denoted by capital I. When we say current is rate of flow of, I can see a lot of formulas coming on the YouTube already now, chat. Rate of flow of charges, isn't it? So when I say rate of flow of charges, how will I write down? Current is equal to charges first. Charges is denoted by Q upon time. Q by T is the formula of current. That's how you derive the formula from the definition. ताकि आपको formula अलग से याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, या तो आप formula याद रखो, definition याद रहेगा. I is equal to Q by T, rate of flow of charge. Easy peasy, correct? Congratulations people. This is the formula of electric current. I stands for current, Q is charge, and time, I'm pretty sure you all know it is seconds. So rate of flow of charges is equal to I is equal to Q by T. ठीक है? Easy people? Give me a quick balle balle. Everyone understood the session till now? Give me a quick balle balle. Everyone, let's go. Give me a quick balle balle. All of you guys enjoying this until now? I is equal to Q by T. Everyone, please note this down because we're going to do numericals now. Please note this down. Right? Fantastic. Now I'm going to ask you a CBSE 10th board question. You know what is it? Let me ask you. The CBSE 10 board question for everyone is, what is the SI unit of current? I'll give you options also. Here are the options. Coulombs per second, seconds per coulomb, joules per coulomb, coulombs per joules. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might be thinking, sir, हमने तो सोचा था कि ये amperes होगा. Now amperes is not there in the option, sir. A lot of you guys on the chat are like, sir, amperes, sir, it is amperes. So A, B, C or D people, think about it. None of the questions are easy, isn't it? So CBSE 10th will not give you such an easy question. What is the SI unit of electric current? You have to be more understanding here. Let's go. What do you think? Yes, it's coulombs per second. Very good people. Everyone on the chat right now who are giving me the answer as option A. You guys are killing it. You are revolutionary. Fantastic. So what is the SI unit of electric current? Coulombs per second. Now you might be thinking, sir, कैसे? Coulombs per second कैसे हो गया sir? बताता हूँ. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो. What is the formula? We just understood right now the formula of electric current is I is equal to Q by T. है ना? बच्चों Q क्या है हमारा? Q है चार्ज. और T क्या है हमारा? T है हमारा टाइम. तो चार्ज का SI यूनिट होता है कूलम्स. क्या होता है बच्चों? It is coulombs, which is denoted by capital C. And times SI unit is, I believe all of you guys know, it's seconds, which is given by small s. So coulombs per second becomes the SI unit of electric current. Now then, why do we call it as amperes? Because the person who contributed almost his entire life into understanding the discovery and understanding the concept of electric current was named as Andre Amperes. This was the scientist because of whom you're studying this concept of electric current, Andre Amperes. So to honor him, to honor this scientist, we call coulombs per second as amperes. Just to honor this scientist, we call, अच्छा, coulombs per second को हम amperes भी बुला सकते हैं और इसका denotation होता है by capital A. ठीक है? This is the reason. But in the examination, everyone who wrote just amperes in the question of SI unit of electric current, they just got half of the marks. They didn't get full marks because this relationship was not given. तो हर बार जब आपको क्वेश्चन आता है कि SI यूनिट को डिफाइन करो, तब हमेशा आप फॉर्मूला को लिखना, then you should write down in terms of SI unit, then you should write down the SI unit through which we call it. coulombs per second is equal to amperes. I hope all you guys understood this. This is highly important. ठीक है, चलो. Now nothing is left. Now we're entering into numericals. Question is on your screen. The formula you know. Go ahead. I'll give you exactly 30 seconds to solve this. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. You have the formula with you. The question is on your screen. A CBSE 10th board question, also an NCRT question. So every question in the sessions of my sessions, people, are from CBSE 10th board. Okay. तो ये understood है. मुझसे मत पूछना कि सर क्या CBSE 10th board में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. नहीं, ये understood है, ये आएगा. Oh, fantastic. अरे, fantastic. A lot of you guys, I think, a lot of you guys gave me the answer already. Very good. Oh, few of you guys are going wrong. Few of you guys are telling me 3, few of you guys are telling me 3000. लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चे 300 coulombs ही बोल रहे हैं. चलो, I'll give you 4 options. Here are 100, 200, 300, 400. Which options? 5. Oh, few of you guys 5. People 5 is not there in the options. 250. 3000. 10. Oh my god. Okay, 500, 600. अरे बाप रे, ये कई होता है भाई साहब, मचा रहे हो. And by the way, people, I would like to tell everyone there are more than 1,800 students here, all of us learning together. I'm so happy to say that. So happy, people. Thank you so much for making Umang's first session so much amazing. Thank you so much. 1,900 students who didn't have any hopes maybe for studying. You guys are here. I'm very happy. 300. Okay, so majority of you guys go for 300. Let's solve it up and see what is the answer. तो हमेशा क्वेश्चंस को करने का इन सीबीएसई 10th बोर्ड एक तरीका होता है. What is that way? What is that तरीका to do the questions? Always start with given. Always start with given. Please, always start with given. If you want to save time, I'll tell you how to save time in calculations, but do not forget to write down given. There is the way to write down. ठीक है? A current of 0.5 amperes. So current I is given to you 0.5 amperes. Is drawn by a filament of an electrical bulb for 10 minutes. Time is given to you 10 minutes. Now, majority of you guys, a lot of you guys might have done this mistake. They wouldn't have converted this minutes into seconds. Is the SI unit of time minutes? The answer is no. It is seconds. So 10 minutes in seconds is apparently 600 seconds. Do not forget. Find the amount of electrical charge. So you need to find out what is Q here. So let's go ahead and do it. No, easy, no? It's easy, isn't it? So let's do it. So now you'll write down solution. What is the solution? I is equal to Q upon T. Okay, so you'll get so this is a basically 2-mark question. You already got 1 mark till here. Now 1 more mark for the answer. So Q is equal to I into T. I is how much? 0.5. T is 600. So it's essentially 300 coulombs. Now you get half marks for the answer and half marks for the SI unit. Do not forget to write down the SI unit. So total you get 2 marks. Okay, bachcho? Easy? Superb. I hope you guys got this part. Moving ahead, let's do one more question. Chalo. There is one more easy question. I'm giving you with the options. Go ahead. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Try karo. Correct? Yes. Everyone who got 300 coulombs, well done. You guys gave the correct answer in the first attempt itself. Mashallah, bhai. Kya bataएं? आप लोग तो महान हो भाई. Okay, let's go, people. Now a lot of you guys might ratify this answer, I'm sure, because this is an NCRT question. और NCRT में इसका फॉर्मूला मेंशन नहीं है और NCRT में ये बताया नहीं गया कि इसको करते कैसे. तो a lot of you guys might here just remember the value here, है ना? 1 coulomb charge में कितने electrons होते हैं? Oh, this is the value, this is the value. And what is that value? Yes, I can see everyone is giving me the answer. Yes, the answer is option A. Correct? Option A, 6.25 to 10 per 18 electrons is what you guys think is the correct answer. But how did it come up? What is the formula? Correct? Anyone knows what's the formula? Who can tell me right now on the chat? किसको पता है? Formula क्या apply करते हो अब इसमें पता करने के लिए? And this question comes in the board, which we need to do it numerically, not verbally. क्या formula बच्चों? Oh, fantastic! I could see a few of you guys telling me the formula. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. चलो, first let's go systematic. Given, correct? ये हमने decide किया था कि हम given लिखेंगे. क्या है? Calculate the number of electrons. Okay, let's denote कि आपको निकालना है number of electrons, which is n. Constituting 1 coulomb of charge. अच्छा, 1 coulomb यानी कि आपको चार्ज दिया गया है 1 coulomb. कैसे निकालेंगे, है ना? The answer is pretty simple. अभी तक हमने कोई भी रिलेशनशिप नहीं पढ़ा है जिसमें चार्ज और n को रिलेट किया जाता है, यानी कि चार्ज और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को रिलेट किया जाता है. तो अभी हम वो रिलेशनशिप पढ़ेंगे. ध्यान से देखो इसको. ठीक है, क्या रिलेशनशिप है? चार्ज कैन बी रिटन एज number of the total charge in any system or any conductor can be written as number of charges present in it multiplied with the charge on an electron. Charge on an electron. तो नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस कैसे लिखेंगे n और चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज e. तो आपका फॉर्मूला बन जाता है टोटल चार्ज विच इज q is equal to ne. Superbly important. Total charge is equal to number of charges into charge on electron. Q is equal to ne. Correct? तो अभी आपको क्या करना है भाई, फॉर्मूला निकालना है. तो सबको पता है कि चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन E का वैल्यू क्या होता है 1.6 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 19 कूलम्स. ये होती है E की वैल्यू, चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये आपने लो ग्रेड से पढ़ा हुआ है. आपको अभी n निकालना है. सो n इज इक्वल टू q बाई ई. q है 1, e है 1.6 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 19 कूलम्स. आ गया आपको वैल्यू, सॉल्व करके देख लो, आपको आ जाएगा आंसर 6.25 इंटू 10 पावर 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है. तो बच्चों ये जो फॉर्मूला अभी आपने पढ़ा ये भी काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर योर सीबीएसई 10th बोर्ड. ये फॉर्मूला आपके एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है, शायद ही आपके टीचर्स आपको स्कूल में बताएंगे. अगर बताते तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं बताते तो यहां से देख लेना. ठीक है. So people, I think we are done with the questions related to numericals related to electric current. Two very important CBSE 10th board questions. One final question related to electric current which I would like to ask you is this. After that we are going into potential and potential difference जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आएगा. ठीक है. Let's go. Guess it up. This is a guess. This is the last thing which we need to study about electric current. Which device is used to measure current? We have done with definition, we did formula, we did SI unit, we did numericals, we are going with the fifth part. Yes. What's there to guess, right? Ampere. Which device is used to measure electric current? The SI unit is ampere. Ampere. So device क्या हो गया? Ammeter. Nothing extra to remember, right? Ampere, ammeter. Bas. And this is how the ammeter looks like if in case you haven't seen. It's dope, right? Pretty dope. Yes. It's pretty old school and dope. Yep. Yep. That's the ammeter for you. Take it. Oh, damn. In midst of this, I think I forgot to tell you a very important thing, man. Oh, yes. When you talk about SI unit of current, amperes we found out. Oh, but we actually forgot how to define ampere. Yes, one very important topic for all of you. How do you define 1 ampere? A very important 1 mark question from CBSE 10. How do you define it? Okay. So I hope you guys will be able to see me now. Yes. Okay, once again, yes, there was a small disconnection happening. Really sorry about it. So we are back. Okay, we are back. Thank you so much for waiting now. Okay. So now we're going to talk about how to define any SI unit. Step by step बता रहा हूँ. सबसे पहले क्या करना? सबसे पहले फॉर्मूला लिखो. फॉर्मूला क्या है? I is equal to Q by T. करंट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? I is equal to Q by T. एम्पियर तो SI यूनिट करंट का है ना, तो फॉर्मूला लिखो. अब इस फॉर्मूला को उसके SI यूनिट में लिखो. करंट का है एम्पियर, चार्ज का है कूलम, टाइम का है सेकेंड. देन यू राइट डाउन 1 in front of everything. 1. Now whatever you have written here, put that in words, put that in statement, English statement. जैसे 1 ampere is said to be that current. 1 ampere is said to be that current when 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second. That's all I did. I wrote down the formula, wrote down in SI units, wrote down 1 in front of each other, and I just defined it in statements. 1 ampere is that current when 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second. Ta-da! You can do that with any SI unit. I will give you a task also for today. जब हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल पढ़ रहे होंगे ना, उस दौरान मैं आपका SI यूनिट पूछूंगा और उसका डिफाइन करना आप लोग अपनी तरफ से. ठीक है? Everyone who gave me the SI unit already without telling it to me, thank you so much, people. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. And I could see that already it's 1.7K likes. Thank you so much. You guys are superbly amazing. तो चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा सा सांस ले लेते हैं और बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ, जिसको हम कहते हैं why do electrons flow, और the topic of electric potential and potential difference. लेकिन इस पे पहुंचने से पहले बच्चों थोड़ा सांस ले लो, क्योंकि ये दो बहुत ही डिफरेंट टॉपिक है और इसके बीच में ब्रेक देना जरूरी है. तो बच्चों, विल टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take a break. Students who will be watching this as a video, not as live session, you can skip this 1 minute. It's your wish. If you don't want to skip, you can take breathe with me because you are also studying, right? Meanwhile, you can tell me, all of you guys enjoying the session, man? Give me a balle balle. All of you guys enjoying the session? All of you guys telling me the answer already? Kya baat hai? Fantastic. And since you guys taking breaths right now, let me tell you one more very amazing thing. So people, I know that pandemic is going on, a crisis is going on all of us. I'm pretty sure you must be really stressed about, what to do about your education, right? Education feels to be in terms of क्या school में पढ़ाई होने वाली है. A lot of you guys have got the opportunity that you're getting education through online platforms from your school, but a lot of people do not have that opportunity, है ना? आप में से बहुत बच्चे होंगे जिनके पास ये opportunity है नहीं. और ऊपर से this comes out to the point कि a lot of our parents, a lot of our people are currently unemployed, right? And their salaries coming per month, their employment is at a question mark right now. I really hope you understand, you have the maturity to understand that. I really hope that, right? So what Vedantu is trying to do is to provide you a free scholarship test, right? So that's what we call it as VSAT, Vedantu Scholarship Admission Test. So what you do is nothing but you go ahead, go onto that link, bdnt.in/ytvsat, just register. The registration is absolutely free. It's an online test. It happens every Sunday. So you can register now, prepare till Sunday and go ahead. It's a very easy examination. And everyone who attempts scholarship, everyone who attempts this test get assured scholarships. Everyone who attempts it. And the better you score in this test, the better scholarship you get. So for example, already more than 20,000 have written this examination. More than 32.31 crores of scholarship has been given out, where if you take from Bangalore, Siddharth has got 100% scholarship, Nitish Jalandhar has got 90% of it, Himanshu also have got from 90% of it. So people, do not waste any more time, and since it's absolutely free, go ahead and attempt it, man. It's just on a Sunday. Spend 2-3 hours and secure your education. Do not burden your parents anymore based on for your educational career. So vdnt.in/ytvsat. ठीक है? तो आई होप कि आप लोगों ने तो अपना सांस ले लिया होगा. अब हम आते हैं बात में. चलो, let's come back. In the starting of this section, when we were defining electric current, we came to a point where we said we provide energy to the current and it comes out the valence electron. तो भाई ये एनर्जी कहां से आया? Because energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. That's the law of conservation of energy studied in 9th standard. Correct? तो कहां से एनर्जी? You do not really believe कि you push the electron from one end of the conductor और दूसरे end तक आ जाता है. Answer is no. It does not happen, right? So to understand that fundamental factor, you already know कि ये flow होता है वगैरह वगैरह की वजह से. I really know that you know that. But what exactly it is? Let me go ahead. So I'm going to ask you this question now. Why does air flow? हवा क्यों फ्लो होती है बच्चों? इसका आंसर सोचो, बताओ. Why does air flow in our real life? I'll give you 4 options of it. टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस की वजह से, एयर प्रेशर डिफरेंस की वजह से, अर्थ ग्रेविटेशन की वजह से, जय माता दी. नहीं पता सर? नो आइडिया सर. जय माता दी सर. Really don't know sir. Which one? The answer for this question is yep, exactly. The answer for this question is option B, air pressure difference. Obviously, that's the reason why air flows. So air always flows from lower pressure to higher pressure, है ना? हट नहीं. It always flows from higher pressure to lower pressure. The same goes on with temperature also. जैसे heat. How does heat flow? Heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. यार heat और हवा तो छोड़ो, अगर ऐसी भीड़ वाली बस दिख गई ना, में है कि नहीं, अगर ऐसी भीड़ वाली बस दिख ली जहां पे लोग ऐसे चढ़ के बैठे हुए हैं बस के ऊपर, हम भी एक खाली बस की तरफ ही जाएंगे. Right? We all human beings also who are unfortunate enough to don't get a car or a bike, but fortunate enough to get buses, we also start moving from a crowded bus to a less crowded bus. That's how human beings are also are, isn't it? I hope you guys got that point. So this used to happen with me in my hometown where I was born and brought up. I'm pretty sure in metros this happen a lot. You can take the example of the Delhi metro or the Mumbai metro. I'm pretty sure you are aware of this in case you're there. But that's what happens, right? We also tend to move from a crowded place to a lower, lesser crowded place. That's what air and heat also does. And that's what charges also do. That is exactly what charges also do. Charges move from a highly dense region to a lower dense region of charges. And this difference in electric current scenario is called as potential difference. जैसे आप एयर के सिनेरियो में इसको हाई प्रेशर रीजन और हाई लो प्रेशर रीजन बुलाते हो, जैसे यहाँ पे हाई टेम्परेचर रीजन और लोअर टेम्परेचर रीजन बुलाते हो, वैसे ही इन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज कॉल्ड एज हाई पोटेंशियल रीजन टू लोअर पोटेंशियल रीजन. High potential means there are more charges there. Lower potential means there are less charges there. So current always flows from higher potential to lower potential. So current flows due to potential difference. Now this is why current flows. This is not the definition of electric potential or potential difference, है ना? तो अभी हमें समझना होगा कि ये potential या potential difference होता क्या है. So let's get on with that. Okay, let's go for it and let's try to understand ki, what is this electric potential. Now for this I need a volunteer. Who wants to become a volunteer here? Give me a quick me. I'll choose from the chat. Who wants to become a volunteer कि what is electric potential के लिए volunteer कौन बनेगा? जल्दी बताओ. I need a boy volunteer. इसके लिए मुझे boy चाहिए. Next exam के मैं एक लड़का लड़की दोनों लूंगा. Okay. Oh my god. You know, sometimes when I take this question, okay, I think Laksh Verma Ved. Okay, I've chosen. Okay, well, thank you so much. I've taken the person. It's Laksh Verma. So Laksh Verma ji, you are the volunteer here. So I'm gonna make Laksh Verma right now. Okay, let me make Laksh Verma right now. Okay, so Laksh, buddy, this is you. This is you. Smile. Now rest all of you guys. I really want all of you guys to imagine. I know you are in 9th and 10th and you have an amazing imaginative power. So just imagine. Let's imagine our buddy Laksh. Our buddy Laksh is at infinity. Because infinity is the farthest distance from us. You can take it here also. Let's imagine Laksh is in my room. Imagine Laksh is in your room. Could be anything, okay? I'm just saying infinity because it's the farthest distance. And at infinity, there is a charge. Let's say there is a positive charge kept at infinity, Q. This is the charge kept at infinity. Now what we want Laksh to do is take this charge from infinity and bring it to a point A, near us. हमारे पास लाने की कोशिश, मतलब बोलना है कि लक्ष्य भाई वहां से ना इंफिनिटी से ना चार्ज को उठा के हमारे पास ले आओ, ये बोलना है हमें लक्ष्य को, ठीक है? और लक्ष्य इज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन, he helps all of us, so he's going to listen to us, ठीक है? So now Laksh starts moving from infinity, carrying that charge to me. Laksh is doing that. Okay? Cool. So my question to everyone is one thing. When Laksh carries this charge and brings it to point A, is Laksh doing any work? The 9th standard work done, right? Remember work done, work? Yes. So think about it, people. When Laksh is carrying that charge and moving and bringing it to point A, is Laksh doing a work? Yes or no? The answer is obviously yes. It's a yes. The work done is there. Absolutely true. Fantastic. So yes, Laksh is doing some work. Correct? Awesome. Now my next question is this work done by Laksh dependent upon the charge? What do you think? Imagine करते हैं कि चार्ज को भूल जाए. इमेजिन करते हैं कि यहाँ पे 10 kg का वेट है, लक्ष्य ने उठा के वहां डाल दिया, उसने काम कर लिया. लक्ष्य डिड अ वर्क. नाउ लेट्स इमेजिन हियर एट इंफिनिटी इट्स अ 20 kg वेट, and now Laksh is moving this 20 kg weight to point A. The work done here and here by Laksh, would it be same or different, people? Would it be same or different? The answer for this question is, I'm pretty sure you are intelligent enough to tell me. Obviously, sir, it is different, right? How can the work which Laksh does to take 10 kg and 20 kg will be same? It would be obviously be different, right? It's obviously different. Similarly, if there is 10 coulombs charge here and 20 coulombs charge here, that would also be absolutely different. So that means my work done by Laksh is different for different magnitude of charges. तो वर्क डन इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन चार्ज। तो जब मैं इस वर्क डन को W को चार्ज से डिवाइड करता हूं, यानी कि Q से डिवाइड करता हूं, उसको मैं कहता हूं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। बिकॉज व्हाट मैटर्स टू मी इज नॉट व्हाट्स द वर्क डन बाय लक्ष्य, व्हाट मैटर्स टू मी इज कि लक्ष्य इस चार्ज के लिए कितना वर्क डन कर रहा है, इस चार्ज को यहां से उठा के वहां रखने के लिए कितना वर्क कर रहा है, क्योंकि वर्क चार्ज पे डिपेंड करता है ना, तो उस पे बात आती है और इसको हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। So what is electric potential? Work done per unit charge. What is electric potential? Work done per unit charge is electric potential. Super simple. Electric potential is W by Q. Correct? That's electric potential for all of you people. That's all. So thank you so much, Laksh, for becoming the volunteer for all of us right now. So I'll just re-explain it again very, very quickly. So whenever people, anyone or anything has to move a charge from one point to another, like a battery, that battery has to do some work depending upon the charge. The work which the battery or any person does to move a charge from one point to another, that work done per unit charge is called as electric potential. ठीक है, समझ में बात? इजी। तो हमारे लिए यहाँ पे लक्ष्य क्या है इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट पे? बैटरी है। तो आज से हम हर एक बैटरी को लक्ष्य बुलाएंगे। Just kidding. Okay. So since I have given you the formula, I have already given the formula also. Electric potential definition मैंने बता दिया, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हो, वीडियो देख सकते हो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। मैंने आपको उसके साथ SI यूनिट ऑफ वोल्टेज भी बता दिया। ओह राइट राइट, SI यूनिट ऑफ वोल्टेज नहीं बताया, फॉर्मूला बता दिया मैंने। क्या फॉर्मूला है इसका बच्चों? कि इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, note this down right now, electric potential which is also denoted by small v, electric potential is also denoted by small v, ठीक है? why it is denoted by small v, why not E और P? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल में E और P होता है ना, क्यों V? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को हम वोल्टेज भी कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं इसको? वोल्टेज, इसलिए V बोला जाता है, ठीक है? so V is written as work done per unit charge। तो मेरे दिमागी बच्चों, the same thing which you did in electric current scenario, tell me what could be the SI unit of electric potential from the formula work done per unit charge। work done का क्या होता है SI unit और charge का क्या होता है SI unit, दोनों को combine करो और बताओ A, B, C और D जल्दी। and I can see that it's already 2000 likes. Thank you so much people, thank you so much for the love and support, thank you so much people। बहुत मजा आ रहा है आज पढ़ा के, आज बहुत मजा आ रहा है। I'm really enjoying myself teaching you guys after a really long time in such depth, वरना सिर्फ quizzes और वरना सिर्फ चीजें होती थी, but I'm really happy that I'm teaching guys in depth for absolutely free today। Thank you so much, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity। and yes, option C is the correct answer, you guys are absolutely right। SI unit of electric potential is work done per unit charge and there is no going back from there। कैसे? ये तो V हो गया, वर्क डन का SI यूनिट होता है जूल्स और चार्ज का SI यूनिट होता है कूलम्स, है ना? कूलम्स होता है, तो ये हो गया जूल्स पर कूलम। एंड दिस ऑल्सो इज अ CBSE 10th बोर्ड क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। ठीक है, ओके फैंटास्टिक। तो भाई इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल तो समझ में आ गया, लेकिन सर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होता है अभी? व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? नाउ आई नीड अ लेडी वॉलंटियर। तो लक्ष्य तो भाई हमारा लड़का वॉलंटियर है वहां पे, नाउ आई नीड अ लेडी वॉलंटियर। Who wants to become the lady volunteer right now? Come on, I want lady volunteer right now. Let's go. Give me a quick me, lady volunteers. Let me see who gives me the answer first. Okay. Okay, any lady volunteers? Let's go. Okay, I got it. The first person was Shanvi. Okay, Shanvi जी ने बता दिया कि सर इसमें मेरे को नहीं लिया तो मैं तो जा रही हूँ। Okay, Shanvi is the lady volunteer with us. ठीक है, तो Shanvi is lady volunteer people. I'll try to utilize you as many times as possible. सबको मैं volunteer लेने की कोशिश करूंगा मेरे upcoming sessions में भी, चिंता मत करो, ठीक है? मैं हूँ यहाँ पे। चलो भाई, अब हमारे दोबारा कौन है ये हमारे हैं, स्माइल से बचानो, हमारे स्माइल से बचानो, ये हमारे बाल से बचानो, लक्ष्य भाई। हाँ लक्ष्य भाई एंड शानवी, आई एम रियली सॉरी, डोंट हेट मी आफ्टर द एग्जांपल, दिस लक्ष्य भाई स्टिल एट इंफिनिटी, ऑलवेज एट इंफिनिटी, स्टिल एट इंफिनिटी, ऑलवेज एट इंफिनिटी, ठीक है। चार्ज Q has to bring the charge from infinity to point A, infinity to point A, ठीक है? तो यहां पे हमने क्या बोला था? when Laksh brings the charge from infinity to point A, let's suppose that the work done by Laksh in this scenario is WA. Let's suppose the work done by Laksh to bring the charge from infinity to A is WA. Work done is WA. Charge is Q. Charge is Q. So what is the electric potential at point A? At point A, electric potential क्या होगा? VA is equal to WA upon Q, है ना? इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल फॉर्मूला है वर्क डन बाई चार्ज, पॉइंट ए के लिए निकाल रहे हैं तो WA बाई Q, इजी, ठीक है। लेकिन बात यहां पे खत्म नहीं हुई, अब आती है हमारी अपनी, कौन? शानवी जी, है ना, हमारी सपनों की मलिका शानवी जी आती है हमारे सिनारियो में। जस्ट लाइक every other girl in men's life, just like every other girl in the boy's life, Shanvi kicks this, क्या करती है? Kicks this charge back to infinity, destroys all the dreams of Laksh. दिल तोड़ दिया उसने। शानवी जी अच्छा नहीं किया आपने लक्ष्य के साथ, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं। तो शानवी किक द चार्ज बैक टू इंफिनिटी, बट लक्ष्य इज लाइक नहीं, आई विल ब्रिंग इट बैक, आई विल ब्रिंग द बैक चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू बैक टू पॉइंट ए, बट लक्ष्य हैज ऑलरेडी वॉक्ड फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू पॉइंट ए, he has to go back to infinity then bring it to, so it's really tough for him, bro, it's really tough from him. So obviously Laksh is trying to bring the charge again from infinity, trying to bring it to point A, but is so damn tired that he stops at point B itself. Okay, so Shanvi and Laksh, just kidding, do not take it seriously, just kidding, take it, just kidding, people हाँ हंस लो जितना हंसना है, उन दोनों का मजाक मत उड़ाना, ठीक है? Thank you so much people. So yes, so electric potential and potential difference is a story of heartbreak. Yes, okay, so what did we say? Laksh walked back to infinity, being very dedicated, took up the charge, brought it back to point B because वो थक चुका था जिंदगी से, है ना लक्ष्य? So brought it back to point B. So people, okay, sure, okay, calm down now, calm down. Okay, tell me now very clearly, the work done by Lakshya here, is it same to WA? क्या वर्क डन WA और यहाँ का वर्क डन सेम है? क्योंकि भाई डिस्टेंस तो सेम ही लग रहा है मेरे को, A बहुत दूर है अभी भी और B तक ही पहुंच पाया, तो इज इट सेम और नॉट? Is it same or not? The answer is you guys are still laughing. Still laughing. Okay, so is it same or is it not? It is not same, right? It is different. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is absolutely different. Thank you so much, people. Yes. So obviously, because Laksh could not reach to point A, he just walked to point B. So he walked less. So hence his work done is less. So I would take this as WB. I'll take this as WB. Work done is different. So if I need to find out the potential at VB, at point B, क्या लिखूंगा मैं? Say VB is equal to WB by Q, because I'm trying to find out the electric potential at point B. So it is WB by Q, work done at B by Q. ठीक है? तो बच्चों, मैं चाहता हूं कि लक्ष्य को समझ में आए कि B से A पहुंचने में, है ना, मतलब मैं चाहता हूं कि लक्ष्य को ये बात समझ में आए, क्लियर हो जाए कि अगर उसे वापस शानवी तक पहुंचना है तो उसे और कितनी पोटेंशियल चाहिए होगी. हाउ विल यू टेल मी दैट? इफ आई वांट यू टू टेल लक्ष्य, उसको बताओ कि इफ ही वांट्स टू गेट बैक टू शानवी, टू वेयर शानवी इज स्टैंडिंग, हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच मोर पोटेंशियल डज ही नीड? हाउ विल यू फाइंड दैट आउट? How will you find it out? Stop laughing. People, stop laughing. You will find, how will you find it out? You will think of, exactly, Ajay told me, it's a difference nikalo sir. Yes, exactly. So what do? Simple. अगर यहाँ पे 10 मीटर का डिस्टेंस है and he reached only till 6 meters, how many more meters he has to travel? 10 meter minus 6, 4 meters, है ना? That's what you do, you subtract. Similarly, my amazing and dear students, to find out the potential which he requires to reach till A, how will you do it? you will subtract VA from VB. Subtract, no, you will subtract one potential to another potential to find out what? To find out potential difference. That's all is potential difference. Let me repeat again. इतना जल्दी निकल गया समझ में नहीं आया होगा. What is potential difference? When you subtract electric potential, you get a difference. No, 10 minus 6 is 4. You get a difference. No, that is potential difference. So potential difference is nothing but the difference in electric potential between any 2 points, A, B, X, Y, Z. That is electric potential. That is potential difference. तो बस ये बहुत बड़ी चीज हम इसको मतलब सो सिलेबस सीबीएसई या तो पता नहीं किसने इसको इतना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक बना के रखा है, समझ नहीं आता क्यों मुझे. What is potential difference यार? Potential difference is the difference in potential between any 2 points. That's all. इतना बड़ा या इतना हार्ड टॉपिक है नहीं, ये खत्म. That's all. So what is the natural formula of potential difference? ये आपके पास definition आपके सामने है. और natural formula of electric potential difference is nothing but potential at A minus potential at B is equal to potential difference B. SI unit is still joules per coulomb. एक बात आप लोगों को बताना भूल गया मैं दोबारा. दैट इज जूल्स पर कूलम को हम वोल्ट्स भी कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं भाई? क्योंकि जैसे एंड्रे एम्पियर था वैसे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के सिनेरियो में हमारे एलेसैंड्रो वोल्टा थे. ठीक है. और एलेसैंड्रो वोल्टा वाज द पर्सन हु डेडिकेटेड हिज एंटायर लाइफ टू कंसिडर अबाउट potential difference. Battery, he was the inventor of battery, by the way. So Alessandro Volta was the scientist. So to honor him, we call joules per coulomb as volts, जिसको लिखा जाता है कैपिटल V. So volts को लिखते हैं हम कैपिटल V में. ठीक है. तो बच्चों जैसा हमने पिछला एक्सरसाइज किया था ना, हमने बोला था कि डिफाइन 1 एम्पियर. हमने बोला था, हमने फॉर्मूला लिख दिया था, उसके बाद हमने डिफाइन कर दिया था. तो क्या मुझे कोई डिफाइन कर सकता है कि व्हाट इज 1 वोल्ट? लिख के दे देता हूं. 1 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1 जूल पर 1 कूलम. क्या इसको कोई स्टेटमेंट में डाल के मुझे चैट में बता सकता है? व्हाट इज, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन 1 वोल्ट? स्टेटमेंट में डाल के बताओ. देखते हैं कौन सही बताता है. जल्दी बताओ. फैंटास्टिक. हाउ डू डिफाइन इट? Oh, fantastic. Yes. I think Shweta Pingale has told me the answer. 1 volt is the potential difference across a conductor when 1 joule of work is done in transferring a charge of 1 coulomb across it. Fantastic, Shweta. Fantastic. Very good. A very good professional way how you defined it. तो मैं आपको दोबारा डिफाइन करके बता देता हूं. तो 1 volt equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb ना, इसको स्टेटमेंट में डालो. Put it in English. 1 volt is said to be that potential difference when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. 1 volt is said to be that potential difference when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. That's all. Right? Okay. Fantastic. Question on your screen. So my intelligent people, guess and tell me which device is used to measure potential difference. Ammeter, voltmeter, rheostat, Jai Mata Di. You don't know, sir. नहीं पता sir. Jai Mata Di नहीं आता sir. बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. Poor Laksh, no. Suti is like sir. Poor Laksh. So Laksh and Shanvi, I hope that you guys didn't feel bad. It was just a joke, and I'm really glad that it made a lot of you guys laugh. Thank you so much. I'm happy about that. What is the answer, people? Yes, there is no guesses to this. Voltmeter. SI unit voltage. SI unit is volts. It's called as voltage. So the answer is voltmeter. And voltmeter also looks as dope as the ammeter. That's how the voltmeter also looks, people. Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much. So everyone who enjoyed the session till now, we are going to get into the last part for today. That is the numericals of potential difference now. Okay? So everyone who enjoyed the session till now, hit that like button as much as possible and give me a high five. Everyone, give me a quick high five right now. Thank you so much, people. You can also put down balle on the chat. You guys are superbly amazing. I really hope that this session helped you guys a lot, right? हमने deep में पढ़ लिया कि electric potential क्या होता है, potential difference क्या होता है, what is electric current, everything is studied in deep. Now no one can take away your marks, no matter when your examination is happening. No matter when your examination is happening. ठीक है? Thank you so much, Will. Thank you so much. You guys are superbly amazing. So I'm now gonna go for the last numericals for today. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. आई हैव 3 क्वेश्चंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, तो टक 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 करके जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे. आपके सामने पहला क्वेश्चन ये रहा. Calculate the work done to move a charge of 10 coulombs across a potential difference of 6 volt. And I can see still 1600 of you guys are watching. Thank you so much. तो बच्चों एक और बात बताना चाहूंगा कि आप लोगों को जितना भी अच्छा लगा हो मुझे कमेंट्स में सेशन के बाद बताना. मतलब पूरा का पूरा वीडियो कमेंट से भर जाना चाहिए, चैट नहीं, कमेंट्स भर जाने चाहिए, ताकि हमारा वीडियो सबसे ऊपर आए, हर एक बच्चे को ये वीडियो दिखे, हर एक बच्चा पूरा यूटिलाइजेशन कर पाए. जो भी बच्चा मतलब स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहा है या तो स्कूल से कोई भी सेशंस नहीं मिल पा रहे, है ना. चलो हर एक बच्चे का हेल्प करते हैं इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान, हर एक बच्चे का. तो क्या आंसर मिल रहा है आपको इसमें? क्या बात है यार. Everyone is giving me the correct answer here. I'll help you out to do this. Now let's try it out. What is the answer? So yes, we know the formula of electric potential, but I always told you how to write it down. First, you need to write down the given. Calculate the work done to move a charge of 10 coulomb. Calculate work done 10 coulomb. Q is equal to 10 coulombs. Across a potential difference V is equal to 6 volts. क्या निकालना है? Work done निकालना है. Formula क्या है? पता है? V is equal to W by Q. W is equal to V into Q. V is 6, 10 is Q is 10, 60 joules. Easy peasy. CBSE 10 board question of 1 mark. Easy peasy question. Next question on your screen, people. Next question on your screen. Question number 11. Once again, a CBSE 10 board question, but this time a 2 mark question. It's not a 1 mark, this is a 2 mark question. Let's go. Calculate the potential on a charge of 40 coulomb when 200 joule of work is done to move it from one point to another. चलो चले मितवा. लाइक्स उठने नहीं चाहिए बच्चों. 2.3 के लाइक्स हो चुके हैं. लेट्स क्रॉस 2.5 के, लेट्स क्रॉस 3 के लाइक्स. मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड ही बता देता हूं. तो हमारा रिकॉर्ड रहा है जब हमने मैराथन लिया था. जब मैंने मैराथन लिया था तो देयर वेर 8600 स्टूडेंट्स वेर लाइव वाचिंग, 8600 प्लस, एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द सेशन देयर वेर मोर देन 12000 लाइक्स. सो दैट्स द रिकॉर्ड, बट दिस हैपेंड इन द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. तो क्या हम आज से मतलब साल की शुरुआत में ही मचा सकते हैं? क्या हम साल की शुरुआत में ही इतना कुछ कर सकते हैं कि हर एक बच्चे को हेल्पफुल हो जाए चीजें, है कि नहीं? थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, yep, 5 volt. Okay, fantastic. Everyone is giving me the answer as 5 volt. Again, procedure remains the same. Given, what is given to me? Charge is given. Q is equal to 40 coulombs, and work done is given as 200 joules. Need to find out the potential difference, which is again V. So it is again W by Q. W is nothing but 200. Q is equal to 40. तो कट गया 0 0, आ गया 5 volt as an answer. Simple. चलो आखिरी क्वेश्चन में बढ़ते हैं. अगेन 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, आखिरी क्वेश्चन आज के लिए. All the best people. Let's go. All the best. Final question for today. I'll give you a hint. Please look out for the SI units. Please look out for the units here. Very very important, वरना गलत आंसर आएगा. ये अगेन 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. जल्दी बचो. गिव योर बेस्ट. वेरी इजी नो. लेट्स गो. Yes, Anshu, obviously. So this Umang series paper is not only for CBSE 10th, it's also for CBSE 9th. It's also for ICC 10th, and it's happening for all the subjects out there. तो बिल्कुल चिंता मत करना जो भी ग्रेड्स है आपको. क्या बात है. अरे फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक. सो डैम हैप्पी टू सी दैट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू गेटिंग इट राइट. मेजॉरिटी गेटिंग इट राइट. सुपरबली हैप्पी. यू गाइस आर किलिंग इट. Fantastic people, fantastic. Let's try to do this. Okay, let's try to do this. I'm so amazed to see that all of you are getting the right answer in the first attempt itself. Isn't that crazy? It is. Let's write down the given things first. Okay, what are the given things? Calculate the electrical energy produced in 5 minutes. Time 5 minutes. Obviously converting into seconds, 300 seconds. Current 2 amperes. Is sent through a conductor by a potential difference of 500 volts. So potential difference V is equal to 500 volts. निकालना है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. ओहो सर, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी का हम क्या करें? तो बच्चों, I'm pretty sure आप लोगों के 9th स्टैंडर्ड से पता होगा that electrical energy और in general energy is always equal to the work done, है ना? The more energy you do put, the more work you do. So energy and work done can be equated. So electrical energy is equal to electrical work done. और electrical work done का formula क्या है? We just now studied V is equal to W upon Q. So W will be equal to V into Q. Correct? Yes. V to I have 500, but Q I don't have. So what? So what, people? So what that you don't have Q? Because you have I and T. From the formula of I is equal to, from the formula of I is equal to Q upon T, you can write down Q is equal to I into T. है ना? So instead of Q here, you write down I into T. So what is the value of I? The value of I is, got it, 2, and T is 300. So what's the answer? Find it to the 1,000. 1,000 into 300 is 300 and 3 more zeros. That's the work done. है ना? I'm doing great, Laksha. I hope you're also doing great. है ना, people? Fantastic. Fantastic. I know, right? I know, right, people? कितना easy question था, कितना आसान था. तो बच्चों, मैं एक और चीज चाहता हूं आप लोगों से. Along with the amazing comments which you're gonna put down after this session in the comment section, I also want all of you guys to do this homework and do let me know the answer for this questions homework in the comment section. The first person who gives me the correct answer for the homework in the comment, not on the chat, in the comment section, that person will be shown on the top of my next session in the first slide. मेरा नेक्स्ट सेशन इसी से स्टार्ट होगा, किसने सही आंसर दिया था इस होमवर्क का. ठीक है, तो बच्चों अभी से इसका फोटो ले लो, ओके? ठीक है. एंड पीपल, अगेन, if in case you enjoyed this session, make your educational career absolutely secure, less burden your parents, and be on your own legs. क्योंकि अभी आप adults हो, है ना, होने वाले हो, लेकिन आप में अंदर मेच्योरिटी है. तो ठीक है, note down the link vdnt.in/ytv site. It was always there below also. ठीक है. And also, obviously, thank you so much for today's session. I really hope all of you guys enjoyed this session. If in case you did, hit that like button right away. Hit that as hard as possible. Also, subscribe to the channel because this is just the first session. We have an entire year for all the subjects out there: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, SST, English for 3 grades, CBSE 9, CBSE 10th and ICC 10th, all of them going on absolutely free on YouTube. Everyone, give me a quick balle balle, give me a quick balle balle, people, on the chats right away. Also mention in the comments how much you love this session and were you guys happy with today's session or not. It will motivate me also. Yes, dear Prakash, and I really want all of you I really want all of me to tell all of you guys ki you killed it, people. You really killed it. Thank you so much. You really killed it. Subscribe to the channel. Every single day before 12 o'clock or by 1 o'clock, we put up the schedule for that particular day. तो आप लोग देख लेना शेड्यूल में कि क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन मैं आपको जनरल सेंस दे दूंगा. हर दिन 12 से 4 सेशंस होंगे एंड एवरी डे 7:30 to 9:30 भी सेशंस होगी. तो इस ड्यूरेशन में हर दिन सेशंस होंगे. कौन से सब्जेक्ट का सेशन होगा वो आपको शेड्यूल में मिल जाएगा. तो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल and go on to the community page and know about it. Notifications also will get it if in case you're subscribing. And also do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also join the Telegram group which is there in the comment section, first comment. That's all. Best teacher, thank you so much, people. Means a lot. So amazed. Leaving right now. Really do not want to leave you guys. You guys were amazing and epic. Anyways, bye bye, take care. Do let me know how much you guys enjoyed this in the comments. Until then, give me a high five. And this is Abhishek signing off. Enjoy your life. Bye, people. Enjoy.